Next we'll go for the delta connection. What is the voltage equation? What is the current equation? We are going to discuss here now. Okay. So this is the delta connection. The three-phase power supply we have connected, R, Y, and B lines are connected to the delta connected load we have transferred here now. Delta connected load we have transferred. I will reduce this one. Is it visible now? Okay. Is it visible or not? Okay. So in the star connection, same like that only. Here, three-phase power supply we have considered. R, Y, B, three lines we have considered here now. But this load, instead of star connection, we have connected in a delta. So this load be connected between R and Y, we have considered that one as R dash and Y dash here now. Y to B, whatever the load is connected, Y dash to B dash, one load is connected here now. B to R, whatever the load is connected, that is B dash and R dash we have considered here. Is there any neutral point here? Neutral point hai kya isme?
No.
No neutral point. Okay. In the star connection, what is the difference between line voltage and line current and phase current? Line current and phase current का difference क्या था? Is there any difference?
No, sir.
Both were same. IL equal to I phase we have used in the star connection. Okay. But the line voltage VL equal to √3 of VPH we have derived in the star connection. Okay. Now you consider here, you concentrate on this one here now. This is the three-phase supply. R, Y, B. Three lines are connected to the three-phase connected load, delta connected load we have used here now. So R line is connected to R dash load, and Y is connected to the Y dash load, and B is connected to the B dash we have used. R dash, Y dash, and B dash. Three junctions we have used. This is a junction point here now. Here one more junction point, here one more junction point. Three junction points we have used here now. So the supply side, the line voltage between two lines here now, R and Y, I will consider the voltage between R and Y, that is called VRY. It is the line voltage. I am going to tell that one here now. VRY is the line voltage. And next VRB is the VRB equal to also line voltage, because R, Y, and B, these are the three lines. Voltage between any two lines, that is the line voltage we are going to call that one. Voltage between any two lines, that is line voltage here now. Okay. Next, what is the phase voltage we will discuss here now. Line voltages are VRY, VBR, and VYB. Three line voltages are there here now. Between three lines are there, between R and Y, between Y and B, and between R and B, like that. We are going to discuss here. So we'll find the voltage, phase voltage. We'll start from R phase to Y phase. R to Y we'll calculate here.
Sir, आवाज येत नाहीये नीट.
एक मिनट, अभी आ रहा है आवाज? हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो नेटवर्क का इश्यू रहते ऐसे ही, ऐसा कुछ हो गई तो बोल दो, वापस रिपीट करता हूं मैं. ओके. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from the supply side, R will start from R. We should come back to the Y here now. R is the starting point, Y is the destination here now. So we'll start voltage between this line voltage is VRY. What is the phase voltage between this one? I will start to the R. Here Y is there. Yes. Sorry, B point is connected here now. So you should not consider this one here now. Don't consider the current. We have to consider this one as a one closed loop here now. R to Y, one closed loop here now. So applying KVL plus VRY. So here plus and minus I will consider, means minus VR dash Y dash. VRY minus VR dash Y dash equal to 0 is nothing but VRY equal to VR dash Y dash. Voltage across this one, VR dash Y dash.
Yes, sir.
So VRY equal to VR dash Y dash. VRY is which voltage? It is line voltage or phase voltage? VRY is the line voltage. VR dash Y dash is the phase voltage.
Line voltage.
So VRY
Phase voltage.
VRY equal to VR dash Y dash is nothing but line voltage equal to phase voltage. We can say that one, this one. We can say
Yes,
line
sir.
voltage equal to phase voltage here. So for the delta connection, the line voltages are equal to the phase voltages here. VRY equal to VR dash Y dash, BR equal to B कहाँ है इधर है, B to R here no. It will go like this, B to R. So B dash R dash and VYB equal to VY dash and B dash. We can call that one. So for the delta connection, so the line voltages are equal to the phase voltages. VL equal to V phase here now. Compare with the star connection. Star connection में कौन सा equal था? Currents were equal. Line current equal to phase current. But here for the delta connection, voltages are equal, but current flowing through is different here now. See, I will start the current IR. The current flowing from the I line is, this is IR I will consider. That is called line current here now. IR is the line current. Yes. You can say this one.
Yes, sir.
So IR, it will at this point, it will come here now. It will get two paths here. Here current will flow, here also current will flow. Yes. Here also current will flow, here
Yes,
also
sir.
current will flow. So for that reason, the IR is not equal to IRN and all the things here now. Here the current will changes here now. Before starting the current, the voltages we have discussed here. That point I will tell with the equations here. See here, VRY equal to VR dash Y dash and VYB equal to VY dash B dash, VBR equal to VB dash R dash. So these all are the VRY, VYB, VBR. These are the line voltages and equal to this VR dash Y dash, VY dash B dash, VB dash R dash. These are that phase voltages. So for the delta connection, we can say that one, the line voltage equal to phase voltage is nothing but VL equal to VPH. Can write like this?
Yes, sir.
So next this is the voltage equations. Voltage equations, we are going to tell that one, VL equal to VPH. So we'll discuss the current equations here now. To discuss the current equation, so we have to mark the current direction. So here R, Y and B phases are there, lines are there here. So the current flowing from the R line, that is IR we are going to consider. Y line, that is IY we are considering. B line, that is IB we are going to consider here now. So here IY, IB, IR, three currents are flowing here. So from the current flowing from R to Y dash, R dash to Y dash, that one we are going to consider as I R dash Y dash, and Y dash to B dash, that is I Y dash B dash, and B dash to R dash, that is called I B dash R dash, we are going to consider here. Is it clear? Current direction, this one. Here in the circle it is flowing R, Y, Y to B, B to R here now, dashes here now. So IR, IY, IB, these three are the line currents. IR is the line current from the line R, IY is the current from the line Y, IB is the current from the line B here now. But IR dash Y dash is the current flowing through this phase here now. R dash Y dash phase here, this phase. I Y dash B dash is the current flowing through in this phase. So I B dash R dash is the current flowing through this phase here. So this current flowing through across this one is phase currents I R dash Y dash, Y dash B dash, B dash R dash. These are the phase currents here now. Is it clear? line currents and phase currents? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Line currents and phase currents. Is it clear? I have just explained here now. I have not yet derived
Yes,
the
sir.
equations. Okay. Considering this delta connection, you compare here now. How many junctions are there in this delta connections? Junctions are nodes.
3.
3 junctions are there. This is 1 junction, 2 and 3 junctions are there here now. Okay. Applying Kirchhoff current law, all of you know that one incoming currents are equal to the outgoing currents. Yes. All of we know that one Kirchhoff's current law states that incoming currents are equal to the outgoing current we are going to call. Incoming currents are considering as positive and outgoing currents are considering as negative here. So one more definition is there, the algebraic sum of current meeting at the junction is equal to 0. Both statements are there, but we can use any one statement here now. At applying Kirchhoff current law at junction R dash, this is the junction R dash. I will consider here now. I'll consider the junction R dash. This is the R dash. How many currents are related to this junction? What are those currents? Can you tell me anyone? ये junctions को कौन सा current link है?
IR,
IR,
R dash, Y dash, IB dash, R dash.
So IB dash, R dash, IR dash, Y dash, IR. These 3 currents are related to the R dash here now. So out of these 3 currents, which current is coming towards the junction? Which currents are going away from the junction here now?
IR and IB away from the junction.
So this IR and I dash, IBI,
B dash, R dash incoming.
B dash, R dash are incoming and I, R dash, Y dash is outgoing. So according to the statement of the Kirchhoff's current law, the currents meeting at a junction, algebraic sum of current meeting at a junction is equal to 0. Or one more statement is there, the incoming currents equal to the outgoing currents we are going to consider at a junction here now. This is the junction we are considering here now. So incoming currents are IR, we can write IR plus
IR, IB dash, R dash.
IB dash, R dash, equal to
is equal to IR dash, Y dash.
I, R dash,
R dash, Y dash.
Y dash here now. So I, R dash, Y dash is the phase current here now, and IR is the line current here now. We can write IR equal to I, R dash, Y dash minus I, B dash, R dash. This one, IR equal to, when I'll send this one into RHS side.
Yes, sir.
So IR equal to I, R dash, Y dash minus I, B dash, R dash. Yes? We can write?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, so IR, this current is, we are writing here, I, B dash, R dash minus, sorry, I, R, Y, R dash, Y dash minus I, B dash, R dash here now. So similarly, IY equal to, how can we can write? IY equal to, applying to the junction Y here now. Now, Kirchhoff's current law applying to the junction Y dash. Which one is incoming? Y is incoming. R dash Y dash is incoming. Y dash B dash
R dash Y dash
is outgoing here now. So IY equal to, we can write I, Y dash, B dash,
Y dash, B dash
minus, this I will send into RHS side. It will become
R dash Y dash.
R dash Y dash here now.
R dash Y dash.
Okay. Next, similarly, applying Kirchhoff current law into the junction B here now. IB is coming towards, IYB is coming towards here now. So IB equal to line current. IB is the line current. IB equal to I, This is outgoing current.
I B dash R dash.
B dash R dash minus I
Y dash B dash.
Y dash B dash.
Y dash.
Yes. So these are the currents we have derived here now. Current equations are derived here now. This is a line current equal to, these are the phase currents we have derived here now. But we have to draw the phasor diagram. According to that phasor diagram, we have to find the relation between IL and I phase relation we have to identify here. It is not yet enough. We have not identified the current, phase current to line current conversion here. Just relations we have to identify here, phase current and line current relation here now. But we have to identify the formula for that. Up to here, any doubts? Up to here, any doubts? In the star connection, we have applied for Kirchhoff's voltage law. Here we are applying Kirchhoff current law here. Both we are applying here also Kirchhoff voltage law we are applying for the voltage calculation. To current we are applying Kirchhoff current law. In that case also we are applying, but for the current is same, IL equal to I phase in the star connection. So that was not a problem. Is it clear? So that one only we have written in the equation. Yes, applying Kirchhoff current law at nodes R dash, Y dash and B dash, we will get that one. First one at node R dash. So IR and IB dash R dash are the incoming currents and equal to IR dash Y dash is the outgoing current here now. So IR equal to IR dash Y dash. This one I will send into RHS side. It will become minus IB dash R dash here now. So this is IR is the line current. These two are the phase currents here now. Similarly for the node Y, IY equal to IY dash B dash minus IR dash B dash we have identified. And similarly, B point also at junction or node B, IB equal to IB dash R dash minus IY dash B dash we have identified here. So up to here, any doubts? किसी को कुछ doubt है इधर तक?
No, sir.
No doubts. Okay.
No, sir.
Next, we will go for the phasor diagram. See, look at this phasor diagram here. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So forget everything. कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा सोचने का first. I will take the annotate here now. Just so I will take the VRY, the line voltage. I will take as a reference here now. So line voltage is equal to phase voltage here. Yes. It may be considered as line voltage or whatever it may be, phase voltage here now. Yes. I can consider VRY.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is VL equal to V phase also we can write down here now. So the circuit, whatever we have discussed, that is, I will consider same like a inductive circuit only. Inductive circuit only, I will consider that one. So current lags the voltage or leads the voltage for the inductive circuit? Lags the voltage.
Lags.
So what we will do, I will use the current voltage I have taken as a reference here now. So the phase current IR dash Y dash, this is lags the voltage VRY or VR dash Y dash or nothing but VPH also we are going to consider here now. So the phase current lags the phase voltage by an angle of phi here now. We can consider here now. Yes. We have drawn here VRY and IR dash Y dash here now. So this is voltage and this is current here now. Similarly, the another voltage which is 120 degree behind this voltage here now. 120 degree will go back here now. VYBL is there. VRY, next VY to B, this voltage you have to draw. So before this one, so the voltage we have drawn here now. So current of this one, which will lags here now, IY dash B dash we have, it is drawn here. So in the anti-clockwise direction, first voltage will come, next current will come. Similarly, next after 120 degree of this voltage, we will draw this one, this voltage. So the related VBR we will draw here now. So VBR we have drawn means next IBR current we have to identify the phase current, which is lags the VBR by an angle of phi here. Is it clear? Voltage, current, voltage, current, voltage, current we have to draw here now. All phase voltages you consider. This is one phase. This is another phase. Red color to yellow color, what is the angle?
120.
120.
Y to B, what is the angle?
120.
So B to R, what is the angle?
120.
120.
So the current, phase currents are lagging the voltage by an angle of phi here. So phase current to current, one phase current to another phase current, it is also 120 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this phase to this phase current to this phase again 120 degree, and this phase current to this phase current again 120 degree difference is there. So all the voltages are 120 degree apart and all the currents are 120 degree apart. We have drawn here first. Only 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 6 lines we have to draw first. Next, what we have to do? Phase currents are equal to the line currents. So no need to calculate the voltage here now. Main aim is to identify the current here now. So this I R dash Y dash is there. We are up to here, it is 0. 0 se chalu hoga idhar. So behind that 0, which will start draw a straight line after in the opposite direction, which will give the minus I R dash Y dash here now. Yes, iska opposition it will give minus value. This line we extend in the opposite direction, sir, which will give minus R dash Y dash, I R dash Y dash here now. Okay. Next, similarly, I Y dash B dash ka opposite side, you draw that line current, that current that will give I Y dash B dash minus value it will give. Similarly, I B dash R dash value opposite direction it will extend here now. Minus I B dash R dash value, you will get that one here now. Yes, you got here up to here. First we have to draw the phase currents. That one we have to extend in the opposite direction. कैसे ड्रा करने का वो भी बोल रहा हूँ मैंने, क्यों तो ऐसा डायग्राम दिखा कि ये आई भी फेज करंट है, ये लाइन करंट है, ऐसा बोल दिया तो समझ में नहीं आता वो. Is it clear now? Up to here, this 6 currents we have identified here: positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Next, according to our formula, this formula, IR equal to what? I R dash Y dash minus I B dash R dash. Yes. IR is the resultant of this positive I dash I R dash Y dash and negative I B dash R dash value. So here IR, this is the IR value. It is nothing but I R dash Y dash is here. I minus I B dash R dash is here. So the resultant of that, it will give the value of the line current here. IR value it is going to give here now. This is the resultant of these two phases, which will give the line current value. So we have to take center line extension. So whatever this angle is there, same magnitude, we have to join these two here now. This will give the IR value. Similarly, IY also we will get from these two. IB also will get from these two. So this is how to draw the phasor diagram. Phasor diagram, how to draw, I am telling that one. That's it. From this phasor diagram, later we can identify or determine the current equation. IL and I phase value we can determine here now. Is it clear, the phasor diagram?
Yes, sir.
Same like स्टार में जैसे कि यूज किया था ऐसे ही यूज किया, बट इधर करंट का इक्वेशन निकल रहे, इधर स्टार में वोल्टेज का इक्वेशन निकले थे. समझ में आ रहा है क्या नहीं? Other peoples, only 37s are there. Yes, present. 37 स्टूडेंट प्रेजेंट है, बट कौन मिस किया उनको तकलीफ होने वाला है ये चैप्टर. वेरी छोटा चैप्टर है, बट मार्क्स इसका नियरली 10 क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. 5-6 क्वेश्चन तो एटलीस्ट आ जाएगा अभी 70 मार्क्स का है तो. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द फेजर डायग्राम. आफ्टर ड्राइंग दिस फेजर डायग्राम, our next aim is to identify IR value. This one we have, IR is the resultant we have considered here. So IR value we can write IR equal to square root of I R dash Y dash square plus I B dash R dash square plus, here two parts are there, 1 and 2 here now. So with this multiplication also we have to add plus 2 IBR, sorry, IB dash R dash I R dash Y dash into cos 30, sorry, cos 30 plus 30. What is that one? Cos 60 we can write down.
Cos 60.
Cos 60 we can write here now. So IR equal to square root of this square, plus this square, plus 2 into this one, and cos 60 we have to write here now. Same like a star connection, we have to write IR equal to square root of I R dash Y dash square plus I B dash R dash square plus 2 I R dash Y dash into I B R B dash R dash cos. Phi we have used, phi is nothing but whatever the difference is there, that is in between these two difference, these two phases difference is 60 degree, cos 60 we have used here. So cos 60 equal to how much?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2 we have drawn here now. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled.
Yes, sir.
So this one we have written here now. But IR value you are writing. IR is the line voltage or phase voltage it is?
Line
IR equal to line voltage. So IR equal to IL we are writing here now. And IR dash Y dash, IB dash R dash, IY dash B dash. These all are the phase currents. So in this place we can write IPH. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
here, considering here, IR dash Y dash square is there, IPH square we can write down here. This term. So we have written IPH square here.
Yes,
So
sir.
here IB dash R dash square is there. So IB dash R dash is the IPH. So IPH square we have written here now. Plus IR dash Y dash is the IPH. IB dash R dash is the IPH here now. So IPH into IPH is nothing but
IPH square.
IPH square here now. So IPH square plus IPH square plus IPH square. So 3 IPH squares are there. So 3
Yes,
IPH square we have written here now. So this is the 3 square root of 3. I will keep as it is here now. IPH square root. IPH you can write down.
Yes.
So IL equal to square root of 3 IPH is the formula for the equation line current to phase current here now. Similarly, they have written IY, IB. This IR, IY, IB equal to IL. So IL equal to root 3 IPH. We have written here now. And from this equation, we can write IPH equal to IL divided by root 3 also. We can write down here. So this is the equation of current here. So now, is it clear? Delta connection? Equations how to do that?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me, you people, you just will do the interaction here. You just compare these equations with a star connection. What is the difference? You tell me now.
Reverse, sir. Voltage and current equation.
Reverse means how you can say this one as reverse. It is not reverse. The star connection voltages are different, currents are equal. But in the delta connections, voltages are same, but currents are different. Like that, you have to tell that one. So in a star connection, yes, IL equal to IPH, but in the delta connection, VL equal to VPH. Yes. So in the star connection, yes, VL equal to root 3 VPH, but in the delta connection, IL equal to root 3 IPH here. Only one star connection or delta connection equation you remember. In the place of for the next delta conversion के लिए क्या करो, वोल्टेज का प्लेस में करंट लिखो, करंट का प्लेस में वोल्टेज लिखा तो हो गया मैटर क्लोज. V का प्लेस में I लिखो, I का प्लेस में V लिखने का. That's it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So another method I told you peoples how to, this is you can write like this square root and all the things, but the other things also we can draw from the phasor diagram here now. IR, OA here now. This one from 0 to B we have to calculate. So IR equal to OB we have to write. OB equal to 2 OA we can write down this part and this part. OB equal to 2 OA we can write down. OA is nothing but this one you consider here now. So adjacent, this is adjacent, this is opposite and hypotenuse here now. So cos 30 you will get here now, this angle. IR cos 30 we have to write here now. Cos 30 is the root 3 by 2 and this is 2 IR. We have written here now. IR is the phase current. So 2 gets cancelled. I phase into root 3 is nothing but root 3 into I phase we have written here now. Same equation we can derive in this method also. Which one is easy? That one you can follow that one. दोनों ऐड किए मैंने पीपीटी में, दोनों प्रोवाइड करता हूं मैं. तुमको कौन सा इजी है वो रेफर कर सकते हैं. हियर पॉइंट्स टू बी रिमेंबर, पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर, VL equal to VPH for the delta connection and IL equal to root 3 IPH. From this IL we can write IPH equal to IL divided by root 3 also. Line currents are 30 degree behind with respect of phase currents here now. What is the line currents here now? This is the line currents. उसका पीछे phase currents रहते हैं 30 degree बोल रहे हो, 30 degree behind that one here now. So line currents are 120 degree apart. All line currents are 120 degree. And power we can tell that one P equal to root 3 VL IL cos phi, Q equal to root 3 VL IL sin phi, S equal to root 3 VL IL. Compare these three equations with the star connection. Equation लिखा है ना तुम लोग?
Yes, sir.
कंपेयर ये तीनों इक्वेशन उसके साथ कंपेयर करो, स्टार इक्वेशन का पावर इक्वेशन के साथ. तीनों सेम है क्या डिफरेंट है?
Same, sir.
All are same only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then there is no difference between power. Only voltage and currents are reversed here now. Can tell that one here. So take the heading. Heading लिखो voltage and current relation. Voltage and current relation in delta connection. Take the heading voltage and current relation in delta connection. In delta connection, voltage and current relation in delta connection. Over.
Yes, sir.
Number 1 लिखो. The line voltage VL equal to, otherwise you directly write down line voltage equal to phase voltage. Line voltage equal to phase voltage. Line voltage equal to phase voltage. In bracket you write down, in bracket, that is VL equal to VPH. That is VL equal to VPH. Over. Number 1 is over.
Yes, sir.
Number 2 you write down. Line current equal to root 3 into phase current. Line current equal to root 3 into phase current. Line current equal to root 3 into phase current. Next line. Therefore, IL equal to root 3 IL equal to root 3 IPH. IL equal to root 3 IPH. Over R. आवाज किधर से बंद हो गए बोलो? राइटिंग किधर से स्टॉप हो गए तुम्हारे?
IL is equal to root 3.
Okay, IL equal to root 3 IPH. IL equal to root 3 IPH और R बोल के लिखो आगे, और IPH equal to IPH equal to IL in IL divided by root 3. IL divided by root 3. IL divided by root 3. Full point. Third one. Line and phase voltages are, sorry, एक minute. Line currents are 120 degree apart. Line currents are 120 degree apart. Line currents are 120 degree apart. Next line. Line voltages are 120 degree apart. Line voltages are 120 degree apart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Phase voltages are 120 degree apart. Phase voltages are 120 degree apart. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Line currents are 30 degree. Line currents are 30 degree behind the phase current. Behind the respective phase current, you write down. Line currents are 30 degree behind with respective phase current. Behind the respective phase current. Respective phase current means what? IR, this one here now. See here. This is what IR is, the line current. This is the what? Phase current. Yes. This is the phase current. This capital IR is the line current. Yes or no? Hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
So the line currents are behind the respective phase current. R to R here now. Here Y to Y, B to B, like that. We have to respective that phase current, that particular phase ka current ka behind the line current. That is the point they have told here now. And take down last one. Real power P equal to square root of 3 VL IL cos phi. All three equations you write down. Real power, reactive power, and apparent power. These all three powers you write down. Over.
Yes, sir.
So what is the power equation for the single phase circuit? Single phase AC circuit, what is the power equation? Power equation क्या है single phase circuit को? The AC fundamentals you have studied. यस, सिंगल फेज पावर इक्वेशन क्या है? ये 3 फेज के लिए हो गया अभी। VI that is called DC circuit. लास्ट RL सर्किट को, RLC सर्किट को पावर इक्वेशन लिखा है ना?
VI cos phi.
VI cos phi, very good. So that is the single phase equation. VI cos phi. Cos phi is compulsory. That is, we have to remember in the file calculating the AC term, any AC term, the cos pi is the power factor. You have to use that one. For the single phase, एक मिनट, P equal to VI cos pi, Q equal to VI sin phi, and S equal to VI. Remember that one. Okay. So that part you remember, and later we will discuss the tomorrow class again. Maybe tomorrow 2 classes. Maybe I have to take that one. I think so. So in that one we'll finish this 4th unit. So we'll discuss this power equation. Simple is there. P equal to, for any equations you consider, P equal to, it may be star connection or delta connection. P equal to VI cos pi is the single phase का formula है ना? single phase का formula.
Yes sir.
For the 3 phases, एक पेज को 1 VI cos phi लिखा है हमने. For 3 phases को 3 VI cos phi लिख सकते?
Yes sir.
For 3 phases को 3 VI cos phi. So 1 phase को V यूज किए. So P equal to 3 V phase I phase cos phi. We have to written here now. Cos phi I will write here now. This is P. Okay. समझ में अभी ये फार्मूला है. So अभी डेल्टा कनेक्शन मत लिखो, डेल्टा कनेक्शन का इधर ही है. स्टार कनेक्शन में वोल्टेज की इक्वेशन क्या है? V पेज इक्वल टू, स्टार कनेक्शन में V पेज इक्वल टू
VL by root 3.
VL by root 3. So we can write this one as VL by root 3. We can write this V phase equal to VL by root 3. Yes. Can write or not?
Yes sir.
So I phase equal to star connection
Yes,
में I phase equal to what? The star connection. IL. So cos phi I will write as it is here now. Cos phi I will write as it is here now. See here, root 3. 3 divided by root 3 is nothing but
root 3.
Root 3 we have written. VL IL cos phi. This is the formula we got here for the delta connection. Star connection also same है. Root 3 VL IL cos phi.
Yes sir.
Root 3 VL IL cos phi. Okay. That one also leave that one. This is for the star connection we have identified. Next we will identify for the delta connection you consider here. Now this is the formula general formula we are using for P equal to 3 VPH IPH cos pi here now. So for the delta connection, I'll write this 3 as it is. VPH equal to
VL.
VL. I will write directly VL here. IPH equal to
IL by root 3.
IL divided by root 3 here. IL divided by root 3. And cos pi I will write as it is here. Yes. 3 divided by root 3 is nothing but root 3.
Root 3.
VL IL cos pi. We got the power formula here. So it doesn't matter it is a delta connection or it is a star connection. So it doesn't matter it is a delta connection or star connection. The active power formula, reactive power formula and apparent power formula for both star and delta connection is same only here. This is the formulas we are going to use here. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So we'll stop here only and we'll continue in the next class.